Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resetting your network settings on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the setting gear icon. And now go down and select the system tile. And then go down again and select reset options. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings. This will reset all mobile network settings. Select Reset Settings. Reset all network settings. You can't undo this action. Select Reset Settings. You will need to enter back in your Wi-Fi credentials once you've reset everything, but pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.